Hi everyone, it's James in Japan, and tonight I'm making garlic asparagus. As you can see, I have already chopped up asparagus and they're boiling in water. Now in the past I used to just put the asparagus in melted butter and garlic in a skillet, but they weren't tender enough, so this time I'm boiling the asparagus until they're a little bit softer. Then I'm going to remove it from the heat, drain the water. Then I'm going to get a skillet like this and then melt butter. Then add some garlic. And then I'm going to put all the asparagus in the skillet and cook it for about 5 or 10 minutes until it's nice and soft. It's going to be delicious when it's done. So living in Japan, you have to think creatively. So I'm cooking for my family tonight. Yeah, it's my turn to cook. As you can see, my assistant chef is here helping me check on the asparagus. How is it looking, chef?
Great!
There you go, you heard it. Okay, looks pretty good. I'm going to turn it off. Now it's time to drain this. Okay, the asparagus has been drained. Going to heat that up and then add some butter. I'm going to melt some butter in that, and then I'm going to add some garlic to it. I'm going to scoop about 2 tablespoons of butter into the skillet. You can put less if you want, but it's tastier. Now in goes the garlic. Bye-bye, garlic. Nice and tender. Love me tender, love me sweet. Bloody hot. Ouch. So as you can see, I have a lot of asparagus. Smells good. I know you can add salt and pepper if you want, but I usually leave salt and pepper out. And if I want more flavoring, I'll just add more butter. Man, this house smells aromatic. I wish you guys could smell this. I mean, if you guys made this dish for your family or for your date, it'll be a big hit. Cook this for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes and it looks ready. I'll go ahead and sample one. Nice and tender. It's done. This is part of the dinner. I'm going to cook some meat and put it on the side. For this video, I'm showing you how to cook garlic asparagus. Here's the completed dinner with garlic asparagus. Yum yum. Thanks for watching, guys. Bon appetit.